Physics test is over. You can see now that last class what we done. I think we are last class we started that new method. Is correct. Then after substitution method, please respond.
Integration using identities.
Integration using identities. I think on that time I gave the formulas also. Is correct. In that, tell me that
Yes,
last
sir.
question what we done. I think I gave 4 questions for you practice purpose. I gave 4 questions I gave for practice. I think up to integration of cos power 4 into 2x. Is correct. You got the answer?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Please tell me the answer now. Integration of cos power 4 into 2x into dx. Tell me the answer for this.
Sir, I'm getting sine 2x by 16.
Sine 2x by no.
Sir, I'm getting sine 2x by 16 plus 3x by 8 plus sine 4x by 8 plus c, sir.
Sine 4x by 8 plus sine 8x by 16 plus 3x by 8 plus c. You got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
3x by 8 plus sine 8x by 16 plus, sorry, it's not 16, we'll get more. 4 16 are 40, 64 plus sine 4x by 8 plus c. This is the answer. Anyone got this answer?
Sir, instead of sine 8x by 64, I'm getting sine 2x by 16, sir.
But 2x it's not possible, no? For getting 2x. Once you can see this question now, integration now. The cos power 4 can be written as cos square of 2x whole square you can write. Okay. And what about this formula? It is cos square theta. Integration of cos square theta equal to what is the formula we have? Please tell me. 1 cos 4x is correct. Cos 4x plus 1 by 2 whole square into dx. Is correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Now we can expand that. This is the 2 or 4 we got now. Yes, correct only. 2. Expand this value. Integration of cos 4x plus 1 whole square by 2 square means 4 into dx. Now a plus b whole square you can expand that. A plus b whole square. A square means then we got now cos square 4x plus 1 plus 2 cos 4x whole by 4 into dx here. Now 1 by 4 is the constant value, take outside now. 1 by 4 constant value, take outside. So 1 by 4 into integration of this one, write separately. If what you can take whole into cos square 4x into dx first one. Integration of 1 into dx is the second one. Plus integration of 2 into cos 4x into dx is the third one. Into dx is third one it is. Now you can take 1 by 4 into, again integration of cos square 4x means then how to this value now? Clearly this is, you can write cos 8x plus 1 by 2 is correct into
Here only I
dx.
did mistake, sir.
Into dx because it is again in the form of what a cos square x it is.
Sir, I've written cos 2x plus 1 by 2.
Okay. Plus integration of cos 4x equal to sin 4x by 4 sin 4x by 4 plus c also you can take Here you can write compulsory integration we have to write now, only for this. And remaining you can write as it is only. So 1 by 4 into integration of cos 8x means you can write clearly this is the 1 by 2 into sin 8x by 8 is correct, plus x plus x plus 2 in this number 2 times only. You can write clearly that sin 4x by 2 plus c. Now simplify this value, 1 by 4 into the sin 8x by 2 8 are 16 plus this is the x by 2 plus x plus sin 4x by 2 plus c. So 1 by 4 into these two you can write separated now, sin 8x sin 8x by 16 plus x by 2 plus x equal to this is the 3x by 2 plus sin 4x by 2 plus c. We got a correct answer? The same thing I gave you.
Everything is correct, just that
3x by 8, 416 and 64 we got now, plus 8, correct only. This is the answer. Yes, I think here only done the mistake. Here.
yes sir, I substituted the wrong value, cos 2x plus 1 by 2 sir.
Yes, rectify that. Rectify that.
Yes sir.
So,
Uh,
so I know the first method, I completed it. The second method, I have doubt, like I didn't understand it.
Anirudh?
properly. Yes, sir.
okay. Where you went these many days?
Sir, I was completing all the previous videos, sir. All the previous classes.
Okay.
I've
YouTube,
completed everything. Just the second method, I want to like if
yes,
you explain me once.
we will do one more time that everything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Definitely.
Sir, what is the answer of 8th question?
8th question. See. Wait 1 minute. This is the ink is completely fell down it is. I'll tell you. What is the 8th question?
Sir, cos to the power 4x dx integration sir.
That means it is the just instead of the 2x you can remove that. Okay.
Sir, I have completed everything. I even understand it. Just the second method. If you explain once.
This is x, correct?
Yes sir.
Here also you can write x right now. Here we will get clearly 2x only. Is correct? The cos square 2x plus 1, 2 cos 2x. It's fine. Whole by 4. Again the same thing only. 1 by 4 you can take outside. This is the 2x. And rest of the things will be same thing. This also you get now cos 2x will get.
So sin 2x by 16
And
plus 3x
this is the cos 4x.
plus sin 2x
Correct? And here you can write now 4 by, sorry. It is the 2 by 2 we have to get. And this will be cancelled. 1 by 4 into, this is will get now sin 4x by 4. Right? Plus x. And this is the sin 2x, that's all. By 2 it won't be. Now we can multiply. This is sin 4x by 8 plus x by 2 only plus x. This is only sin 2x it is. Only sin 2x. So here also you can write now. This is only sin 2x. And 3x by 2 you will get as it is. But here you can write now, this is the sin 4x by 8 you can write. Okay. This is the cos power 4 into x. Anirudh, once you can tell me the second method means what is the substitution method?
No, sir, that partial fraction method.
That is where we will go. Okay, and after this concept, the partial fractions only. Okay.
So this is not the second method. It's the substitution method only.
Substitution. Actually, first inspection method.
Yeah, sir. Inspection method
After
going
inspection
with
method,
derivative first
yes.
and then.
After inspection method, we are coming to the substitution method.
Yes,
Once
sir.
substitution is done means then we are going to the partial fractions.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
If anyone not completed means you can write this question also. One more you can write now. Tan power 4x into dx. Integration of tan power 4x. Integration of tan power 4x into dx. Yes, try yourself. All the previous based on the identities, I think we are taking the formulas also. This one simply you can write now. Tan square x whole square you can write. But tan square x equal to, we know very well that this is how much? Secant square x minus 1 whole square into dx. Expand this value and you can find it. Okay. Or else you can do one more way also, you can solve this. Just I'll give the idea to you, you can try yourself only. This tan power 4x into dx you can write now. If you want this is I think compared to that, this is the more easy. Tan square x into tan square x you can write. Then one tan square x write as it is only, and one more tan square x you can write secant square x minus 1 you can write. And whole into dx you will get. Now multiply the values. Tan square x into secant square x minus tan square x minus tan square x into dx. Now we can do. We'll get the answer. All of you once you can try yourself. All of you try yourself.
So can I also do like sin square x by cos square x whole
Sin square x by
sir sin square x by cos square x whole square integration dx sir.
they will take, but will take lengthy. Okay. So instead of that, this is the easy. Directly by substitution method, we will do that one easily.
Okay sir.
Here just you can do directly integration now. Integration of dx. Integration of into dx you can write. Here also integration of whole into dx. Whole into dx. Now integration of take separately. Tan square x into secant square x into dx minus integration of tan square x into dx. Only for second one, we know the formula. The tan square x can be written as a secant square x minus 1. We'll get directly. And coming to the first term, now for this term, we can take the substitution. Okay, only for this. Suppose if you want, you can take here, no, this is the I1 minus I2 you can take. But your choice only, no problem that. Understanding purpose. So, now we are taking here now I1 means, first you can find separately I1 value. I1 equal to, for this I1 you can take, put tan x equal to some t you can take. So definitely with respect x on both sides now, integration of tan x equal to clearly secant square x equal to dt by dx. So the value of dx equal to dt by secant square x. Okay. Now these two you can substituting in the I1. And for second one, write as it is. So integration of t square into secant square x into dt by secant square x minus integration of this one you can write now secant square x minus 1 into dx. And these two will be cancelled. And integration of t square into dt is the remaining terms here now. And this one can be written as minus of the secant square x equal to, I think we know that one, tan x minus, I'm taking directly here, minus x is correct, plus c you can take. And t square equal to, you can write now t cube by 3 minus into plus equal to minus tan x minus into minus equal to plus x plus c. Then t equal to, we are taking the tan here now. The answer is tan cube x by 3 minus tan x plus x plus c is the answer.
Sir, sir, we can in I1 can we directly substitute tan square is equal to sec square minus 1 and then multiply with sec square.
Here,
Sir, I1, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
here in this step.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I done the same thing only, na?
Sir, you substituted the value, sir. I'm saying instead of tan square x, can I substitute secant square x minus 1, then multiply with secant square x?
Yes, but see now, suppose if you take this condition now, tan square x equal to, again secant square x minus 1 into secant square x. Now multiply these two values here now. Secant for 4x is correct, minus secant square x. But this is we know, then what about this value?
So can we not take secant square x whole square, sir? Integration.
Okay. Suppose you've taken secant square x whole square also, but again we have to do that. Correct? That
Yes,
means
sir.
compared to that one, this is the easy one, na? By taking substitution.
Okay, sir.
Next, if anyone completed means, then next one you can solve that. Cot power 4x. Cot power 4x into dx. Yes, same models already I give the formulas to you. Try yourself. These are the same method, same for method you can apply. Then how to done the previous, the same way you can solve that. What happened that one by one they're leaving the class? Some network issue or something it is. Still now only 9 members are there.
Sir, network issue, sir. Even I got disconnected 2 to 3 times.
Oh. That means I think maths class we are putting with the starting the best I think. Is correct? Instead of 7 o'clock, 5:30. But 5:30 means for me difficult. Here also you can write the same way. Integration of this one you can write same procedure like previous. Cot square x into cot square x into dx you can write. Integration of this cot square x right as it is only, but this is the formula we know very well that. So cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. Now multiply this. So cot square x into cosecant square x minus cot square x into dx whole into dx. Now you can take separately integration of cot square x into cosecant square x into dx minus integration of cot square x into dx. Now we can take substitution here. Okay, put cot x equal to t, you can take. Integration of cot, differentiation of cot equal to, we know very well that minus cosecant square x equal to dt by dx. So that implies the value of tx equal to minus dt by cosecant square x. Cosecant square x now. So now all you can substitute in there. Integration of the cot square means you get t square only. Cosecant square x into minus dt by cosecant square x minus integration of cot square equal to how much? Minus cosecant x. Is correct? Correct or not? Minus cosecant x. Remember minus into minus will get plus 1 here. No problem that one. This one you can, if you want take just bracket, you can take here now. Plus you can take later. The t square means these two will be cancelled. Minus t cube by 3. Minus t cube by 3. Minus into minus plus you can write now. Plus cosecant x plus c. And I think one more number is there. Where is the one here? Observe that somewhere it is the, we missing one number. Somewhere we missing one number. The cot square place. Somewhere we are missing some point. Please tell me that. I want that. Here now somewhere we missed the one point. Please tell me.
The integration of cot square x is
Cot square can be written as a cosecant because cot square equal to we don't have. That's why we give the formula to you.
yes, sir.
Okay. This one then what you can write this value? Cosecant square equal to will get clearly cot minus cot. You can write now minus of minus cot x minus into minus will get now plus x plus c. I'm correct? Now t equal to already we take the substitution here now you can write minus cot cube x by 3 plus cot x plus x plus c. Previously we got now tan but now we got now cot. There is a small difference here. If anyone completed, you can try this question now. Sin square x by 2 into dx. Small question, I am not solving this question. Try yourself and tell me. Integration of sin square x by 2 into dx. Okay, this is all of you can try yourself that. Hello? Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. Oh, sir, today actually in the school power not there, sir. But morning only it went because it is the some repair is they're doing that. Okay. Uh, tomorrow we'll do, sir. Okay, tomorrow after we went to the immediately I'll do the same thing only. Okay. But I forget that user ID and password, sir. User and password, I didn't remember that. You didn't pick the call, and whenever we called, it's coming that switched off or not reachable. We will see tomorrow. Tomorrow after I went to the school, okay, school, then we will see that. Okay. Ah. Next one. 13th question. Anyone got his answer? Sin for x by 2. Integration of tan x minus 2 cot x whole square into dx. Up to now, just we are taking the single terms. Now we are taking the binomials. So all of you once listen to me. The later just I'll give the one or two questions. Once you can try yourself. This is you can try yourself. It's very easy only because we know the formula. Then substitute in there you can do that. Here, see it in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. We know very well that. So this one write clearly that tan square x plus b square means 4 into cot square x and minus 2ab. 2ab is 2 2s are will got now 4. 4 into tan x into cot x. Tan x into cot x into dx. Into dx now. Okay. So now we can write separately. Integration of tan square x into dx one thing. Integration of 4 into cot square x into dx one thing. Minus 4 is the constant value. And integration of tan x into cot x into dx. Okay, this is already we know the identity. You can write now. Tan square x equal to secant square x minus 1 into dx. Plus 4 is the constant value. Cot square equal to you can write now. Cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. Second one. Minus 4 into, and this is if you want you can take here now in terms of sin and cos you can write. The tan x equal to we know that. Tan x equal to sin by cos. That too. The tan x into cot x equal to we know very well. What is the value? Tan x into cot x equal to how much?
Secant square x.
Not secant square, 1 now.
Oh, yes, sir.
These two are reciprocal to each other. Is correct? It is equal to 1 into dx only. The problem is done. So you can find separately integration of secant square x. This is the tan x. Integration of 1 equal to x only. Plus 4 into integration of cosecant square equal to this is the minus cot x. Minus cot x. Minus integration of 1 equal to you can write now x here. Minus 4 into 4x only. Correct now? So tan x, first one it is tan x minus x, and plus into minus equal to minus 4 cot x, and plus into minus equal to minus 4x and minus 4x plus c. So you can write separately tan x minus 4 cot x and minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 minus equal to minus 9x plus c is the answer for that. Okay, tan x minus 4 cot x minus 9x plus c. Very easy, simple questions only. It's not difficult also. If you understand clearly, I think compared to remaining concept, remaining chapters, this integration and differentiation will be more easy. Integration of sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square into dx. Integration of sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square into dx. Yes, first complete all of you complete this question. If you understand means try to solve yourself, but don't copy as it is from the board. Here are the same thing, a plus b whole square. First expand it, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then we can do the integration.
Sir, x minus cos x plus c, sir.
X minus cos x, very good. X minus cos x plus c. Correct. I think no difficulty in that. Very easy. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Suppose if taken this value, sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus 2ab. Then what do you get? 2 into sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Cos x by 2. Into dx you can take. Into dx, integration of that. This is equal to clearly 1. So integration of 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. Is correct? I mean, this one you can write now sin 2 into x by 2 into dx. And 2 will be cancelled. Integration of 1 equal to x, integration of sin x equal to minus cos x plus c over. Okay. Next. Integration of cos square x by 2, you can try yourself. I am not solving that. The 15th question. Integration of cos square x by 2, you can try yourself. Sixteenth one, integration of sin square x minus cos square x, sin square x minus cos square x whole by sin square x into cos square x into dx. Into dx. Yes, complete fast. Very easy. Here also. We got clearly a minus b by ab. A minus b by a into b. So first you can split separately now. First term by denominator minus second term by denominator, cancel something. Maybe we will get in terms of secant square minus cosecant square we are getting. I think we know very well. Direct integration. Integration of secant square, tan. Integration of cosecant square, minus cot. Minus of minus equal will get plus cot. So the answer is tan x plus cot x plus c. You can do yourself. Understood this problem? Got it? Please respond. You are okay. Who are listening that? Sanjit. Tejashwini?
Sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Just to write separately, cancel. Then I can do the integration. 1 by cos equal to secant square minus. And this will be 1 by sin equal to cosecant square. Integration of secant equal to tan. Integration of cosecant equal to minus cot. So minus of minus equal to plus cot. Okay? Plus c. That I can take. Next, 17th one. Integration of cos 2x by cos x plus sin x whole square. Cos x plus sin x whole square into dx. This is some little bit. But easy only. But little bit concentration we have to put. For 17th question. First, in expand this value denominator, you can expand it. Integration of cos 2x by, this is you can write now cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x whole into dx. This is equal to clearly 1. And this value equal to you will get now This will be 2 sin x into cos x equal to sin 2x. So you can write clearly. So this is the cos 2x by 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x into dx. And cos 2x in terms of sin 2x, any formula we have? Or else sin 2x equal to, you can write any other formula.
So substitute 1 plus sin 2x equal to d.
And suppose you got confusion means, and you can do one more way also, here also. But easy only. If you take in this condition, I think here substitution, the word is substitution t na? I think it's not possible, na? We will try one more way. Okay, we will try one more way. I think this identity also we know very well that. I think cos 2x equal to, we have one more form because it is anyhow cos x plus sin x is there now. Suppose you've taken cos square x minus sin square x. Is it possible? This formula we have, cos 2x equal to. This formula is there.
Yes, sir.
That means, you know, in place of cos 2x, we will write the cos square x minus sin square x. Is correct? Sin square x whole by the denominator write as it is only cos x plus sin x whole square into dx. And it is in the form of a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So integration of cos x plus sin x into this one you can write now cos x minus sin x whole by, here also you can write cos x plus sin x whole square into dx. I think problem is done and the square and this will be cancelled. So what about remaining? Integration of cos x minus sin x whole by cos x plus sin x sin x into dx. I think this is the differentiation of denominator. Means integration of f dash of x by f of x equal to how much?
Log of cos x plus.
So log modulus of cos x plus sin x plus c.
Plus c.
Answer. Okay. But maybe you suppose they're asking for 3 marks question. But simply just erase the 3 steps here now, but maybe you're not getting full marks. And that time what we have to do means, you can take substitution here.
Sir, I got 1 by 2 log modulus of 1 plus sin 2x.
1 by
Yes,
2
sir.
modulus of
1 plus sin 2x.
1 plus sin 2x. No, how to you done that one? Please tell me that.
Sir, take 1 plus sin 2x in that as t.
Okay, we'll do that. Suppose you've taken 1 plus sin 2x equal to t na. This is 0. Sin 2x equal to differentiation minus cos 2x into 2 equal to dt by dx. Is correct?
Yes, sir.
So dx equal to, we will get dt by 2 into cos 2x. So all you can substitute in there now. Yes. That means cos 2x by t into, okay, dt by 2 into cos 2x. And this will be cancelled. 1 by 2 we are taking outside. So 1 by t into dt. But this is a simplification. If you done the simplification this one, we get same answer again. We'll get same answer. Take here 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by t equal to, we'll get clearly log t na, log modulus of t plus c. So 1 by 2 into log modulus of, but t equal to 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x is correct. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
1 by 2 into log modulus of 1 plus. Here in place of 1 I can write now sin square x plus cos square x.
Sir,
Sin square
that
x equal
answer
to,
is wrong.
this is
That
correct only.
No,
This also
sir.
correct. This
This
also
one.
correct. Correct only. I am not
Should we
saying wrong.
simplify so much?
That's
Like,
all. Should be simplified this one, we'll get the same answer. Okay.
okay.
So, but if we stop at 1 by 2 log modulus, there
Yes,
only-
we'll get sometimes, because sometimes they'll ask that one, prove that integration of cos 2x by cos x plus sin x whole square equal to this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second. But how did that answer means the same thing. In place of 1, write this one. and sin 2x equal to 2 sin x plus cos x plus c, and this entire thing equal to a plus b whole square. Here a equal to sin x and b equal to cos x. The whole square in front, right in front of this one, 1 by 2 into 2 means 2 will be cancelled. We get the same answer. Correct or not? The 2 into 1 by 2 into log modulus of sin x plus cos x plus c, then these two will be cancelled. We get the same answer. Okay. Write both the methods you can write. No problem it is. But based on the marks, they can do that. Either 2 marks or 3 marks. I can do both the ways. Suppose you've taken this one, 2 marks question they're asking. Write directly answer, but here you can mention the formula. That is the integration of f dash of x by f of x is equal to log modulus of f of x. Compulsory we can mention this one. Okay. Since this is the more important. Then only write this answer. But without showing this formula, but don't write any answer here.
Sir, what is the question, sir? I'm having network error.
This is the integration of cos 2x by 1 plus, no, it's not 1 plus, cos x plus sin x whole square. Cos x plus sin x whole square into dx. This is the problem. This is the question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We done 2 ways. This is the first one way, the second way. This I am taking direct formula and explaining that one. Next, you can write one more question now. 17th one. Okay, first complete that.
So, so I have just one more doubt. If I just take sine 2x as t in that cos 2x by
only sine 2x, but if taking only sine 2x, then we cancel these two. But 1 plus t is there. But integration of 1 plus t, then what we'll do?
Okay, not in this question, sir. I faced one more question. Like I don't remember the question.
Tell me the question now. Once that, we'll try.
Sir, I'll search and keep it, sir. I'll do it in
tomorrow
the
class. Yes, okay. After the class you can tell, or else tomorrow we'll do that. No problem.
Okay, sir. I'll just search and keep
then
it.
Whatever questions you have, then bring it. We will try. Nothing happen. Okay.
Yes, sir. So I was able to solve that same question with 3 different methods.
Okay. Get it. We'll do that. Okay. Next. Integration of right now. Integration of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x whole by cos square x. Integration of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x whole by cos square x into dx. Okay, simple, very easy.
So tan x plus c, sir.
That's all. What about this formula? Cos 2x equal, you can write now 1 minus 2 sin square x. So minus 2 sin square x and plus 2 sin square, these two will be cancelled. Only one is the remaining. 1 by cos square equal to secant square. Integration of secant square equal to tan x. Tan x plus c. Answer. Next, 19th one. Integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha. Cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha whole by cos x minus cos alpha. Cos x minus cos alpha into dx. Here what we'll do. Try no, try no. Once you can try yourself. Because we identities are there. Maybe just we will change that. Okay. You got any idea? Hmm? Chirag?
Yes, sir.
Any idea?
Sir, maybe substitute the value of cos x and cos alpha.
Here, I
Yes,
think
sir.
instead of substitution, but okay, if you take suppose substitution here means, then how to get the 2x and 2 alpha? It's not possible, right?
Sir, cos 2x and
That's
cos
all.
2
These two
alpha
you
is
can change, these two you can change. You like a square minus b square, we are getting a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. We'll cancel a minus b directly. Or remain, you can do that integration. Very easy way. So integration of cos 2 alpha 2x equal to, you can write now 2 cos square x minus 1. Correct? And minus of cos 2 alpha equal to, you can write now 2 cos square alpha minus 1, I can write whole by cos x minus cos alpha, cos x minus cos alpha into dx. Okay. So integration of 2 cos square x minus 1 minus into plus equal to minus 2 cos square alpha minus into minus equal to plus 1 whole by cos x minus cos alpha into dx, and this will be cancelled. Now from these two terms, what is the common here now? 2 common. So integration of 2 into, you can write now cos square x minus cos square alpha whole by, so cos x minus cos alpha into dx. So anyhow you can take 2 outside because constant will take outside now. Integration of a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So cos x plus cos alpha into cos x minus cos alpha whole by the cos x minus cos alpha, and this will be cancelled into dx you can take. Again 2 is the constant only. 2 into integration of cos, how much? Sin x. Integration of cos alpha plus sin alpha plus c. So that's all. You can stop here now. It's enough. 2 into sin x plus sin alpha plus c. Oh, here in terms of with respect to x we are doing. This is cos alpha. So sin alpha into cos alpha is the constant you can take. Cos alpha into x plus c. This one I can write because cos alpha with respect to x we have to take. It's not possible. Oh, this is very easy only. After this question, you can try yourself. Simple question. Very easy also. Very easy. Just write separately and you can solve. Anyone got the answer? Question number 20.
Secant x minus cosecant x plus c.
Very good. Secant x minus cosecant x plus c. Very good. Very simple. Sin square and cube will be cancelled. So sin x by cos square x. So you can write clearly sin by cos equal tan x into secant x, one thing. Tan x into secant x plus, and here also same, cos square and cube will be cancelled. And what about remaining cos plus sin equal to cot x into cosecant x? Cot x into cosecant x plus c. So integration of tan into secant equal to secant. Integration of cot into cosecant equal to minus cosecant. So secant x minus cosecant x plus c. Next, 21st one. Integration of cos square x minus sin square x whole by square root of 1 plus cos 4x into dx. Yes. Start now. Very easy. Simple question only. This is anyhow we have formula is there for this one. But directly I think cos 2x. And here also we will get now 1 plus cos 4x equal to. I give the form identities we got now already. So 1 plus cos 4x means you can write like this. Cos 2 of 2x you can write. 2 of 2x. When equal to how much? I think 2 cos square 2x. Correct? 2 cos square 2x. That means in place of this, you can substitute in this value. And square and root will be cancelled and root is the remaining. So root 2 into cos 2x. Here anyhow cos 2x is there. That 2 will be cancelled. So integration of 1 by root 2 equal to x by root 2 plus c. X by root 2 plus c. If anyone not getting means, please tell me. Because just I am thinking like it is the, you already you understand and you got these answers. That's why I am going direct it is. X by root 2 plus c is the answer for that. Just this formula I can remember. 1 plus cos 4x equal to 2 cos square 2x. Remember this formula, it's enough. 1 plus cos 4x is equal to 2 into cos square 2x. Once you done that one, try this question. Here also very easy. But no need to think more. all of you once listen to me. Look at the board now for this question. Simple question only. It's not difficult test. Here cos x right as it is only plus, but cos 2x equal to, we know the formula, 2x 2 cos square x minus 1. We know very well that, whole by 1 plus cos x into dx. Now here we have to do small changes, because in denominator we have already 1 plus cos x is there. 1 plus cos x we have. That means maybe here already 2 cos square x is there. If you want, write as it is only. Maybe we can change this value also. So how to change this value means you can write clearly 2 cos square x right as it is only plus. We have to get plus cos x. So that's why I'm taking it like this. 2 cos x minus cos x. How much, tell me this value? 2 cos x minus cos x equal to clearly plus cos x minus 1 whole by 1 plus cos x into dx. Now see clearly now, from these two terms we've taken minus common. We got clearly, very clearly 1 plus cos x. So integration now, from these two terms what is the common now? If taken 2 cos x is the common. So what about remaining? This is the cos x plus, like what are the equations? Plus 1. And from these two terms if you take minus common now, clearly cos x plus 1 whole by 1 plus cos x into dx. Again, what is the common here? Integration of 1 plus cos x is the common now. Take outside, the remaining terms are 2 cos x minus 1 whole by 1 plus cos x into dx. Clearly this will be cancelled. Now integration of 2 cos x, so 2 into sin x. Integration of minus 1 means minus x plus c is the answer. Clear this? 22. Any doubts in this one? Suppose if you want means you can do one more way also. By applying that one, it is the completing square method. Okay.
Sir.
Sir,
I'm not getting 20, sir.
20 na? This one na?
Yes, sir.
Write separately. First term by denominator plus second term by denominator you can write now. Integration of sin cube x by sin square x into cos square x. Correct? Plus cos cube x by sin square x into cos square x into dx. See, sin square x and cube will be cancelled. Cos square x and cube will be cancelled. Correct? So what about remaining here? Integration of, this is we got now only sin x by, the cos square x you can write now cos x into 1 by cos x. Because cos into cos equal to cos square x. That's why. Plus, here also you can write now cos x by the sin square x you can write now sin x into 1 by sin x you can write. Whole into dx. Whole into dx. Now sin by cos equal to how much? Sin by cos equal to tan x. And 1 by cos equal to secant x. Into dx separately. Integration of. Cos by sin equal to you can write now cot x. 1 by sin equal to you can write now cosecant x. Correct? Into dx. Now integration of tan into secant equal to how much? Secant x only. Plus integration of cot into cosecant equal to minus cosecant x. Plus c. So secant x plus into minus equal to minus cosecant x plus c. Okay? Clear now? Chirag?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
21st, all of you got the answer? 21st one? Next, you can try this question now. This is important problem, and previous already 3 times there was an examination. 23rd, integration of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into dx. 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into dx.
Substitute the value of 1 plus cos x and 1
one
plus
more.
cos x.
This week I'll give the one more test to you. Same inverse trigonometry chapter when you will write. Because last time I gave the few questions I gave. Now this time just I will change the questions and I will give you. Just half an hour, 40 minutes only. It's not more than that. But in this week only we have to write. When you will write? Tomorrow or it is the Thursday or Friday? Decide yourself. So 9 students are there. Please tell me. Same chapter with different questions I'll give you. When you will write the test? No one are responding?
Friday, sir.
Friday? Very good. Friday? All of you prepared well one more time, the inverse trigonometry chapter?
Sir?
Sir,
answer 23 tan x by 2 minus x plus c, sir.
23 tan x by 2, 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. You got the same thing?
Yes, sir.
2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. Correct. This is the more important question. Already for 2 marks question they are asking so many times in examination. Very simple thing only. Suppose we got plus 1 minus 1 means immediately first you can remove the 1 here. You can remove 1. Then how to remove this 1 means the 1 right as it is only. But in place of cos x, but already we have 2 formulas are there. One is 2 cos square x by 2 and second one, okay, minus 1 and the second 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. And which formula you will write in place of cos x? We will remove the 1. That one just you can think. I think clearly we got the minus means write the second formula. We got the plus means write the first formula. That's all. So when it's taking the second formula, what you get? 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square x by 2 whole by 1 plus 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. These will be cancelled. These two also cancel. 2 to also cancel. Integration of sin by cos equal, you can write now tan square x by 2 into dx. But tan square we don't have any formula. So you can write clearly this is secant square x by 2 minus 1 into dx you can write. So integration of secant square equal to tan x by 2 whole by 1 by 2 again. Because integration of x by 2 we have to take again. Minus x plus c. This one you take the reciprocal 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. Next, 24th one, integration of cos x minus sin x whole by 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x into dx. Very easy. Here no need to think more also here. And here a minus b is there. This one just you can change. Try now. Once you can try. Already previous, the same model we done previous. I think 1 plus cos 2x we took previous. Very easy only. First you can write in place of 1 equal to you can write sin square x plus cos square x you can write. And sin 2x equal to you can write 2 sin x into cos x. Integration of cos x minus sin x minus sin x whole by 1 equal to you can write now sin square x plus cos square x plus cos square x my sin plus sin 2x equal you can write now 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x into dx. So integration of cos x minus sin x whole by a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a plus b whole square. So sin x plus cos x whole square into dx. Now take substitution. Let sin x plus cos x equal to take t. So differentiation of sin x equal to you can write now cos x minus sin x equal to dt by dx. So the value of dx equal to dt by cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x. Okay. Now this one you can substitute in there now. We get answer. Integration of cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x whole by t square into dt by cos x minus sin x. And these will be cancelled. So 1 by t square equal you can write now t power minus 2 integration of into dt. So t power minus 2 means you can write t power minus 2 plus 1 by this the minus 1 plus c we are getting. That means clearly write this value minus 1 by t plus c. But t equal to I think we are taking the substitution in sin x plus cos x. Right as it is. So minus 1 by sin x plus cos x plus c. Okay. Okay. The same we can do one more question now. 25th one. Integration of cos x by 1 plus cos x into dx. Into dx. Try yourself. First to try yourself. But you are not getting means I'll teach that. But here don't think like it is the okay. We can do suppose we are taking the eliminating plus 1 here, but eliminating plus 1, but again we have to do the changes there. So instead of just you can do directly rationalization, you can do rationalize the denominator, you will get easily integration of cos x by 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x into dx. So this is the cos x into 1 minus cos x whole by a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So 1 minus cos square x into dx you can write into dx. So integration of 1 minus cos square equal to clearly we will get sine is correct. So you can write now cos x into 1 minus cos x whole by this one you can write now sine square x you can write sine square x into dx. Oh yes, now we can simplify that. Now we can simplify that. Simplify that value. Integration of the cos x minus cos square x whole by sine square x. Sine square x into dx. Now write separately. So integration of cos x by sine square x into dx, one thing, minus integration of cos square x by sine square x into dx. Sine square x into dx. So it is equal to cos by sine equal to, you can write clearly cos by sine, that means you can write now cot x into 1 by sine equal to cosecant x into dx, first one. Integration of cos by sine equal to, you can write now cot square x into dx. So this is the formula we know very well, that one. Integration of cot x into cosecant equal to minus cosecant x minus of, and cot square equal to, you can write now cosecant square x minus 1 into dx you can write. So minus cosecant x, write as it is only minus of integration of cosecant square equal to minus cot x and minus x into dx. Okay, minus x plus c. So similar this value now minus cosecant x minus into minus equal to plus cot x plus x plus c. Plus x plus c. Okay, with the answer. Next, sin square x by 1 plus cos x. Sin square x by 1 plus cos x. Integration of sin square x by 1 plus cos x into dx. Yes. Complete fast. Very easy only. Integration of sin square x by 1 plus cos x into dx. The sin square x equal to, you can write now 1 minus cos square x. In the form of a square minus b square, expand that a plus b into a minus b. Simple question. One step you'll get the answer.
X minus sin x plus c, sir.
That's all. X minus sin x plus c. X minus sin x plus c. Simply you can write this is the 1 minus cos square x, you can write. Whole by 1 plus cos x. So a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x whole by 1 plus cos x, you can write. This will be cancelled. Integrate this. Hello? Sir, చెప్పండి. అది ప్రపోజల్ అని పంపించారు సార్, అది సిలబస్ నేను చేస్తాను. మన గ్రూప్లో ఉంది చూడండి, డీన్ గ్రూప్లో ఉంది. డీన్ గ్రూప్లో నిన్న పంపించారు సార్. నైట్ వచ్చింది చూడు, ప్రపోజల్ సిడిఎఫ్ అని చెప్పేసి టెక్నో ఒలింపియాడ్ సపరేట్గా ఉంది. సరే. ఓకే Anirudh?
Sir, can I tell you that question now?
Tell
which
me.
I was telling. You can do it in two different methods.
Yes,
and
you can do now. Yes, once tell me.
So 1 second. Integration of
integration of hello sir.
So my internet is fluctuating.
అవును సరే, నేను తర్వాత పంపిస్తానండి, ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాను మీకు.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
1 plus integration of 1 plus log x whole square divided by x dx.
By
X
ah
dot dx. In this method,
ah.
if I just take dx, log x as t, I'm
No,
getting,
don't take here log x equal to t. The complete thing you can take.
yeah. So if
Let
I
1
just
plus
take,
log x equal to t you can take now. Differentiate. So 1 by x equal to dt by dx.
yes, sir, I get that
Ah,
question. So
the dx equal to dt into x
if
now.
I just take log x,
No, log x
so
don't
if
take.
I just take
Don't
log
take
x
because
as t,
this is the constant only, na? Because the differentiation constant equal anyhow 0 only. So you can take complete thing you can take.
yes, sir, no. So the answer will be wrong if I just take log x as t.
Ah, yes, definitely. Because it is if we take only log x equal to t means we'll get cancel this one. Again, we have to do something here. No? But no, don't do like that. Okay? The complete
Okay,
term
sir.
we can take as substitution.
Okay,
So
sir.
we got this one. Now integration of this is equal to t square. T square by
Yes, sir,
x
that
into
I know.
dt by these two will be cancelled. So t cube by 3 na plus c. So 1 plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Okay? Don't take only this.
Yes, sir.
Complete term we can take as t.
Okay,
Not only
sir.
purely only log x. Complete because it's constant value. Suppose instead of constant, somebody are given some other value. But in this case, we can't take complete thing. Okay? If
Okay, sir.
constant is there means you can take complete. Full term you can take as t. Now I'll give the two questions once to try yourself. So try yourself, but tomorrow you're not getting means tomorrow I'll explain that. Right now. Integration of sin inverse of cos x into dx. Integration of sin inverse of cos x into dx. Just to try yourself. Sin inverse of cos x into dx. One thing. This is the 27th question only you can take. 27th one. Try it once. Simple question only. It's not a difficult. Next. Integration of 1 plus x whole power or into e power x whole by cos square of e power x into e power x into x into dx. Okay, the two questions once you can try it. This is more easy. Already inverse trigonometry we done that. First simplify this function and you can integrate. Okay. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Time 8:37.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good night.